the i7 Plus is the self-emptying dustbin. Like the S9 Plus, the i7 Plus will return to the base automatically to empty its debris. The base can hold up to 30 debris loads, meaning it will likely be several weeks, if not months, before you need to empty it. In addition, the i7 Plus has the recharge and resume feature. This allows it to return to the base to recharge when the battery is low, then automatically return to the spot where it left off to finish cleaning. The i7 also includes Imprint Smart Mapping, in which users can create named zones of the home as well as keep-out zones. These features let the i7 Plus learn the home and navigate more efficiently. Combine all that with the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, and the Roomba i7 Plus is an amazingly convenient robot vacuum.
Meet the next generation self-empty robot.
The Shark iRobot Self-Empty.
Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark iRobot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.
Unsurprisingly, our pick is the Roomba S9 Plus. The S9 Plus has a number of highly advanced features that make it arguably the best robot vacuum ever built. It features a square front edge, which offers improved performance in corners and edges. The full-width brush roll increases the cleaning area covered. In our modern castle cleaning tests, the S9 Plus scored an impressive 99%. Perhaps the most useful feature of the S9 Plus is the self-emptying dustbin, which allows the robot to drive itself back to the base to empty debris without the user needing to touch it. On top of that, the S9 Plus has excellent navigation with zone cleaning, keep-out zones, and digital maps, all of which can be monitored and edited through the iRobot app. The S9 Plus is expensive, but it's also easily the best Roomba you can buy.